In front of me is OPPO A6x, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. You need to begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Wherever you decided when you're ready to create a voice memo within Messages app, use this button at the bottom right corner. Then tap on microphone 1 to start recording. You can restart by clicking on the left one and start over. You can hit attach instantly, listen to your message here and then send it. Or you can record it, then tap on the red button, listen to it here and restart it right away if you wish to, or hit attach. If you wish to add already existing audio file, you need to click on this plus at the bottom left corner, hit Files, then look for your file here by tapping on one of those apps, selecting audio at the top, or what most people miss, by clicking on those 3 lines at the top left corner to pick your file from one of those sources, like download. Either way, when you find it, just click on it to attach it. Now, when it comes to video file, to record one and add it instantly, use this icon of a photo at the bottom right corner. Then operate camera portion, record your video, and when you finish, it will be automatically added. So all you need to do is send it. If you want to pick video you already have on your OPPO, click on the same button, hold this line and drag it up to access all of those options here. Then, when you find your video, just tap on it and select Done at the bottom right corner to attach it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!